Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to dive into an interesting problem that can stump even experienced developers. The problem at hand revolves around whether it's permissible to capture local parameters of a requires expression. Sounds like a head scratcher, right? In the solution provided, it was explained that expressions within a requires expressions requirement body are considered unevaluated operands. This means that compilers should not raise errors when capturing local parameters within this context. Despite this, there seems to be some confusion regarding whether the expression within the lambda is evaluated. Some discussion suggests that the wording in the standard might be a bit unclear on this topic. To sum it up, the root of the problem lies in the interpretation of the standards by different compilers. While Clang raises an error in this scenario, other compilers like GCC and MSVC accept it as valid. Remember, programming language standards can sometimes leave room for interpretation, leading to such discrepancies. And with that, we've come to the end of our discussion. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!